Hi, very fresh morning and happy to see you all once again. In a patientless world, how can you expect me to speak more? I'll speak very short and sweet. And today's topic is very interesting and very important too. And I, you all know pretty well that I am not taking topic from the comment box, from the question of you. I am taking the topic. So by the way, they have given or they have thrown me one topic. So though I am feeding all the information to the students or I am taking seminar, it is not reaching very fastly. It is not reaching very enough. So what can be done so that my information can be reached very fast and can be retained by the students or audience very fast and very long? So this is a very important question. I always used to address this kind of question because this question really sharpen your knowledge and sharpen your team also. So look at very carefully. This is very important. Be conscious and listen. See, it is not all about sending or teaching. It is all about 90% environment and 10% only transformation. Again, I'm saying it is all about 90% environment and 10% only transformation. Should not take in other way. Sir, 10% environment and 90% transformation won't happen. 90% what? Environment and 10% transformation. 90:10 ratio. Okay, 90% environment. Why, sir? It is very important. Let me say, the first and foremost one is when you enter into the seminar hall or when you enter into the classroom, first you should go for NLP. Sir, what is NLP? NLP means Neuro Linguistic Program, which means in the last hour or in the past hour, they have gone through all the things. And the last teacher or the last seminar guy or maybe what you are taking is first hour means they have come from the home. There are so many problems are there. You should stabilize their mind and put them the audience or the students in a neutral position or in a neutral state so that they will have a stabilized mind to absorb everything. Further, you should conduct NLP, Neuro Linguistic Program. How to do this NLP, sir, Neuro Linguistic Program? Ask them to close their eyes. Simply, you are going into the class or going into the seminar hall. Ask them to close their eyes. Simply close their eyes. Nothing. Okay. Simply closing their eyes. Okay. They are in the moment they are closing their eyes. You start to do these things. Number one is called arrange the desk. Arrange the desk is very, very important. A proper arrangement of the desk. Okay, first one is arrangement of the desk. If there is anomaly in desk, if there is imperfection in desk, the desk is in this side and desk is that side, and this some desk are what to say parked in somewhere. Okay, that one looks good. It looks anomaly. First, bring perfection in desk. Arrangement in desk is very important. And after the arrangement of desk, and second one is called filling the students properly or filling the audience properly. There should not be any gap from the first row to the third row. All the rows should be evenly filled. First row, second row, and third row and fourth row should be thickly populated. There is no gap at all. Okay, this is what the second thing. And first one is arrange the desk, and second one is filling the people correctly. Should not be any gap. And third one is break the partnership. There are partnership, who is always sitting together, and there are some company, who is always sitting together. Break that partnership. Shift the students. This guy has to be sit there, and that guy has to be sit here. That shifting is very required. After the shifting, first one is what? Arranging the desk properly, and second one is called what? Your the filling the students, front row, second row, and third row should not have any gap. And third one is called taking the students and exchanging the students, shifting the students. Why, sir? By closing only you can do all the things. and after that, no, you have exchanged the students, no, then you started to say all the philosophical things, all the proverbial things, all the neutralizing things. Think of father, think of mother. You are having a what? You are having no problem, nothing we are lost, nothing we are lost, everything is going to happen. Likewise, you should say all the philosophical things, all the motivating things, highly motivating things. Now they become a stabilized and neutral mind. With that, we are going to transform. Now the environment is super. Now the environment is super. Now we are going to transform. Now we are going to transform. 90% environment, no, 10% only transformation. No. Now you started to feed anything, it will be absorbed very fast. That's very, very important. 90, it is all about the environment, not about feeding. 90%. There are some faculty, some guys who is always 90% is feeding. It won't pass, it won't transform because environment is not good, na. So 90% environment and 10% only transformation. Teach little, but teach should be very strong. Okay, there are some guys who is entering into the room, always keep on chalking, writing blah blah blah, all the they are filling all the board places, and after they are going to teach, it won't work. 90% environment matters a lot, and 10% only transformation. See, for a fertile soil, you need not plant the seed, just throw the seed, it will absorb very fast. So it's all about 90% environment. Environment matters a lot. That is very important one. First one is arranging that you are going enter into the department, or you are entering into the classroom, or enter into the seminar hall. First and foremost thing is called what? NLP, neuro linguistic program. Closing their eye, asking them to close the eyes. And second one, arrange the desk. And third one, fill without any gaps. And fourth one, shift to the people, break their partnership and break their team, because student is good, students are danger. Okay, and the last one, now feed, it will observe very fast. When you do this, no, excellent class will be highly possible. Do that. Environment, this is what I wanted to convey here. Hope you understand. Thank you, love you all.